Hi there, my name is Lauren Holdridge and I am going to present my behaviorist biography presentation. I did my presentation on Julie Vargas. She is currently still alive today and she's 83 years old. She's the daughter of B.F. Skinner and she's written about 5 books and has written many articles on behavior analysis. She started her career as a teacher for 3rd and 4th grade, but then she became a professor at West Virginia University for about 35 years. She used to be the president of the Association of Behavior Analysis International and also an editor for the Behavior Analyst. She is still currently the president of the B.F. Skinner Foundation. Books written by Julie Vargas. While she's written 5 books, there's only one that she is most well known for, and it's called The Behavior Analysis for Effective Teaching. And she first wrote this book in 2009, but the second edition came out in 2013. And this textbook is written for teachers to learn how their behaviors affect their students and how to find ways to help their students succeed. I highly recommend this textbook because it is packed with knowledge about behavior analysis and it teaches teachers the principles to use with their students to help them succeed. It's a book that's supposed to help teachers learn about their own actions so that they can be more effective with their students. Articles written by Julie Vargas. So the first one is From Operant Conditioning to Selection by Consequences. And this article is based on what Skinner wrote about operant conditioning, and she compares operant conditioning and selection by consequences based on an experiment that Skinner did with a pigeon. And a lot of her articles are written based off of writings or research done by her father. The second one, Programmed Instruction, What It Is and How to Do It, is about programmed instruction, and it was created by Skinner a long time ago, but it's basically a way to teach new information to students in a specific way. So it's not as popular today, but she discusses how to use it and how teachers can apply it. The third one is Contributions of Verbal Behavior to Instructional Technology. Vargas writes this article based on Skinner's book, Verbal Behavior, and in this article she analyzes what Skinner has written and she expands upon his beliefs and gives us her knowledge on the verbal behavior. Then the last one, B.F. Skinner, The Last Few Days, is written about Skinner's last moments alive. And he died from leukemia, and up until his last moments, he was very dedicated to behavior analysis. And through this article, it's very clear how Dr. Vargas and her father were very close. So in summary, Dr. Julie Vargas has spent her whole life researching and teaching others about behavior analysis. From all of her published writings to her influence in the field of behavior analysis, there is so much that we can learn from her. Some interview questions that I would ask her are about how her father influenced her or inspired her to devote her life to researching behavior analysis, and then how could some of her father's work be improved, and then if there's any unfinished research in this field and what we could research further, and then lastly, what advice would she give to teachers who are just starting to learn about behavior analysis? So why is she important? She's important because B.F. Skinner, her father, has made a huge impact in the field of behavior analysis, and he's given her this great amount of knowledge about the field, and she's been able to carry on his research and to further the advances of the field. She's also important because of all of her writings and her teaching. She's impacted so many teachers over the years so that they could be more effective with their students. Here is my bibliography. Thank you.